In today's video, you will learn about the natural home remedy for toothaches. Teeth are an amazing balance of form and function, aesthetic beauty, and engineering. Good teeth are an important part of one's health and appearance. Toothache is a very common problem that occurs to anyone without any warning. Sharp, throbbing, shooting, or constant pain is the first sign of upcoming toothache. If not treated at the correct time, it will eventually be extracted. The main cause is tooth decay that results from a diet comprising of excessive consumption of soft drinks, candy, pastries, refined carbohydrates, and sugar in all forms. Bacteria in the mouth break down sugar in acids that combine with calcium in the enamel and also cause decay or erosion. Proper cleaning of the teeth is essential to prevent tooth decay and consequent toothaches. Brushing in circular motion ensures that all the dental surfaces are cleaned. For gentle stimulation to improve blood circulation in the gums, brush the gums lightly. Dental decay, destruction of the bone around the teeth, and infection of the gums can be prevented with an appropriate diet. Restrict sugar intake. Ensure that your diet includes plenty of raw veggies, whole wheat bread, and whole foods. 1. A clove of garlic, with a little rock salt, placed on the affected tooth will relieve the pain. Alternatively, you can chew a garlic clove daily in the morning. 2. Chewing raw onion for approximately 3 minutes is sufficient to kill all the germs in the mouth and ensure protection from a host of tooth disorders. 3. Lime can also prevent decay, loosening of the teeth, dental cavities, toothache, and bleeding of the gums. 4. The juice of wheatgrass is an excellent mouthwash for dental decay and cures toothache. It draws out toxins from the gums and checks bacterial growth. 5. Asafoetida grounded in lemon juice cures dental ache. Heat the solution, soak a cotton swab, and place it in the cavity of the tooth to relieve pain quickly. 6. Paste of the bark of bayberry mixed with vinegar, applied on the affected area, will alleviate the pain and strengthen the gums. 7. Clove oil applied to the cavity of the decayed tooth provides relief. 8. A pinch of pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of common salt prevents dental cavities. Foul breath, bleeding from the gums, painful gums, and toothaches. 9. A pinch of pepper powder mixed with clove oil can be put on the cavities to alleviate the toothache. 10. If the pain in the mouth is caused by trapped food, take a mouthful of water and rinse it vigorously. A thorough rinse may dislodge the food particles. 11. Floss your teeth gently to remove tiny bits of hard food. Be soft on your gums as they are likely to be sore. 12. Gargle a glassful of water mixed with 1 teaspoon of salt after each meal and at bedtime. 13. Put an ice cube on the aching tooth or on the nearest cheek for 15 to 20 minutes at least 3 or 4 times a day. The viewers of this video should exercise all precautions while following instructions on the recipes from this video. Avoid using it if you are allergic to something. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. And also leave a comment below that you have subscribed to this channel. Thanks for watching.